Are you looking for a car music system that combines style, powerful sound, and excellent connectivity options? Today, let's talk about a feature-packed and affordable choice: the FXI DSX A 410 car stereo. It's designed to make your drives more enjoyable and hassle-free. Let's dive into the details. This car music system comes with dual USB ports, allowing you to play music and charge your phone at the same time. It ensures uninterrupted entertainment during your drive. With 7 different backlight color options, you can customize the lighting to match your mood or your car's interior, giving your dashboard a stylish and vibrant look. The powerful 52-watt sound output delivers clear and dynamic audio, making every song feel immersive, whether it's soft melodies or high-energy beats. Its fixed panel design ensures durability and stability, even on rough roads, so you don't have to worry about it moving or detaching while driving. Connectivity options include Bluetooth, AUX, and USB. You can connect your phone via Bluetooth for wireless music streaming and hands-free calls. The O input allows you to connect other devices, while the USB port lets you play music directly and charge devices. It also has an FM radio for continuous entertainment. So, if you're searching for a car stereo that offers excellent performance, stylish design, and versatility, the FXI DSX A 410 might just be the perfect choice for you.